Welcome to Fanny Magnet. Now in this video I'll tell you how a very unprofessional technician has messed up this 1466 model. So the customer came in with me in the morning with the problem related with this Mac that randomly shut down, and also sometime he gets a folder icon on the display, which is more related with the SSD or the Mac OS. Now, before I start, I thought I will open and I will check what has happened. So let me show you what the earlier technician has messed up everything on this computer, on this Mac. So here we go. The first thing, if you will notice here, he has put this kind of plastic. I don't know for what reason he has put this paper, plastic, whatever you call it. He has put it here. And also in the process of doing this, I have noticed that this paper was hurting this cap. And I will show you this under microscope about this cap. I'm very much sure this cap has become bad, but still I'll show you under the microscope because it was hurting here and maybe it got burned or something like that. Now apart from that, just check, he was not able to make there is a proper alignment. Okay, there is a very proper place how this should go. This generally goes from trackpad directly to your end. It's L shape and goes into the motherboard. He mess up with this also. Apart from that, he has done a very big mess up. That is, he break this connector. So if you'll see here, he has put some glue to make it connect back. So this generally happens with the, I have seen with many very few Macs. Like this happens because when when the technician is not able to open it, he's trying to pull the connector of the battery, which is this battery, and they break the soldering or whatever glue is there. They break this part. So this is what they have done. Apart from this, just take a look here. One screw is missing here. Now there is a very proper place how this antenna should go, but just come here and just take a look here. It's come till here and then it goes back outside, it goes outside of the chassis and then it comes inside back. So the whole time this was outside of the Mac. This antenna cable was outside of the Mac. So first thing I'm going to do is I will open this motherboard. I will put it under microscope. Very initially I will remove this paper. I don't think I will have to keep that before even doing any diagnosis. So I'll show you under a microscope how it look like. Let's see if we can fix it or not. Thank you.